Welcome back to Auto Upgrade Nation. Today we're checking out the brand new 2026 Ford Focus sedan. And this one's turning heads with that bold yellow paint job. It's sleek, it's sporty, and it's built to impress. Whether you're into daily driving, performance upgrades, or smart tech, the new Focus sedan is packing some serious heat in the compact car segment right off the bat. That striking yellow color isn't just loud, it's confident. It gives the Focus a whole new personality. The updated front fascia has been sharpened with a more angular grille, ultra-slim LED matrix headlights, and a sculpted hood that flows perfectly into the sides. It's lower, it's wider, and honestly looks way more aggressive than any previous Focus model. The 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels, body-colored door handles, and integrated rear spoiler all come together for a clean and aerodynamic profile. Under the hood, Ford is offering a punchy 1.5-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 3-cylinder engine pushing around 190 horsepower. There's also a hybrid variant that pairs electric efficiency with responsive torque, perfect for city driving or long commutes. And yes, the 8-speed automatic transmission shifts buttery smooth, and it comes with paddle shifters if you want a little extra control. Fuel economy solid too, giving around 35 to 38 mpg combined. Depending on the trim and drivetrain, the 2026 Focus is also quieter than ever, thanks to upgraded insulation, active noise cancellation, and new chassis tuning. And when it comes to handling, this sedan still brings that signature Focus agility. It hugs corners confidently and gives you that sporty feedback through the steering wheel, especially with the sport suspension on the Streetline model. Whether you're on back roads or highways, the ride is seriously dialed in. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that feels futuristic and way more premium than you'd expect. The dash is dominated by a 13.2-inch touchscreen running Ford's SYNC 5 infotainment system, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. It's quick, it's customizable, and it even supports voice control. The digital instrument cluster is fully configurable and adds a modern touch to your driving experience. Seating is supportive with new eco-friendly materials that feel upscale. The yellow stitching and ambient lighting give it a sporty vibe, and rear seat space is surprisingly generous for a compact. Fold down the back seats, and you've got a ton of cargo flexibility for a sedan. There's also a wireless charging pad, dual-zone climate control, and USB-C ports front and back, so your tech is always juiced and ready to go. Now let's talk safety, because the 2026 Focus is stacked. It comes standard with Ford Copilot 360, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, and traffic sign recognition. The new driver attention monitoring system watches your driving patterns and warns you if it senses fatigue. It even has a semi-autonomous parking system that can handle tight spots all on its own. Pretty slick, right? One of the coolest things for enthusiasts is the modular build options. Ford's making it easier than ever to customize and modify the Focus with optional appearance and performance packages. There's even a track pack for the sportier trim's bigger brakes, tighter suspension, and more aggressive tuning that make this sedan feel like a mini sports car. And if you're into aftermarket upgrades, this thing is a modder's dream. The engine bay is super accessible, and there's a growing scene online already planning turbo upgrades, custom wraps, coilovers, and even full exhaust builds. The 2026 Focus sedan also features improved connectivity, including Ford Pass Connect, letting you lock, unlock, start the engine, and check your fuel level all from your phone. You can even schedule maintenance, get over-the-air updates, and track your trips. Great for tech-savvy drivers. So whether you're a young professional, a college student, or someone who just wants a sharp, efficient, and fun-to-drive sedan, the 2026 Ford Focus in this bold yellow shade is seriously worth a look. It brings that classic Ford driving DNA into the future with more tech, better comfort, and styling that finally breaks the mold. Ford has taken everything we loved about the Focus and leveled it up for the modern driver, And that wraps up today's in-depth look at the 2026 Ford Focus sedan. Let us know in the comments what you think about this yellow beast. Would you daily it? Would you mod it? What upgrades would you throw on first? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Upgrade Nation, and turn on the bell for more fresh car reviews, mods, and auto tech every single week. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next ride.